Things have been weird recently. I know they've been weird for everyone, and I'm not the only one who's struggling, but it's been hard to keep going for the last couple of days. On top of the global pandemic that everyone is dealing with, I started a new job just as my state shut everything down. I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what to do, and I have to report everything that I've done each day to my supervisor. It's hard to learn this stuff remotely and proving nearly impossible to do much other than read documents in an attempt to keep working, which is unbelievably boring. On top of that, I basically live alone. I have a roommate, but she's never here, so I've spent the last 2.5 weeks by myself. As much as I am an introvert, it turns out that not spending time with people, particularly face to face, is really hard on my mental health. I've been even more anxious than usual lately. I've totally ruined my sleep patterns, and I'm struggling to see that there really is going to be an end to all of this, and it's not just my life forever. So I'm baking. Today I made banana bread. It's not much, but it means that I'll actually eat breakfast for a couple of days, and it gives me an excuse to talk to a friend I'm going to share it with. I hope that everyone else is finding a way to keep moving and keep hoping when things are so hard and weird. I'm hoping that things will get easier again soon, that work will be easier and continuing to spend time with people virtually will help, and maybe I can find a new recipe to bake that won't require going to 3 different grocery stores. But I'm running out of sugar, so it's not looking good. But here's to hoping.